Hey there, my friends. Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐸 here, and in this video today, I'm going to talk about 6 types of landing pages that you can use in your affiliate marketing business to get conversions and sales in your business. I think that's really important that people understand the type of landing pages that maybe they should create to be able to help them with that whole process of getting conversions that leads to sales. Okay, so that's what it's all about today. I'm going to actually show you some examples of some landing pages, but let's jump right into it. Actually, before I get into this, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notifications bell. And if you want to know more about how you can make $250 instant commissions, 100% commissions to you, go ahead and check out the comment section beneath this video. And also, if you also want to learn about the system that I use to grow and market my businesses online, which is called the Power Lead System, also check out the comment section beneath this video so that you can get a system to grow your business. Now let's jump right into the training, my friends. All right, I'm going to go over 6 types of landing pages for conversions, and let's just quickly go through the 6 types of pages. The first one is a training page. Okay, typically some type of training page which shows the people on your email list how to utilize your product, service, or opportunity to get a result that they want. So for example, a lot of people that are on my list, they want to learn how to market online. They want to know how to do affiliate marketing right. So I have a training page that shows them exactly how to do that, how to market. It's a training on exactly just that. Now, if you're with a company that, you don't have to put together all of these things. I just want to make that clear in terms of the actual video part. Typically, your company may have a training video. You could put that into a landing page and send that out to your list. What these different types of landing pages, the reason why I'm telling you that you should have these 6 landing pages in your arsenal is because this. Typically people who opt into your capture page, or they're on your email list, they have objections, and to get to the sale you have to clearly answer those objections to get people to a sale. So if you have these 6 pages in your arsenal and you can strategically rotate them and send them to your email list, you are constantly answering their objections. You don't have to continuously come out necessarily with brand new content, but you're continuously putting these 6 types of landing pages in front of your target audience and saying, listen, I know you need free training on, let's say you had a weight loss opportunity. Okay, I know you're looking to lose 5 pounds. Here's a training on how to lose 5 pounds, and it might have been a company overview, or the company might have shared some type of training. You could put that in a landing page. Okay, let's go and look at a typical training page. Okay, so with the Power Lead System, one thing I love is that all these types of landing pages that I talk about that you need in your arsenal, the Power Lead System already has them put together for us. Okay, so for example, I already said that internet marketing training, affiliate marketing training is something that a lot of people on my list, and also with my opportunity, they want to know more about. How do they learn the marketing knowledge that they need to know to be able to grow a business? And they know that when they partner with this system, they're going to get that training every week. Okay, so there's a landing page here that the company already has put together, and we have these templates in the Power Lead System. It lets them know there's a training, there's a countdown timer, the video is there, I don't have to put it together, and then it invites them to take an action, right? To either join the opportunity, learn more about it, or start a free trial. Boom. This leads them to an action. Okay, so that's the first type of landing page. Okay, the next type of high converting landing page is a webinar, hangout, a Zoom, a replay. Okay, webinars, I did a video yesterday, I think it was yesterday or the day before that, where I talked about the importance of webinars and how you could use them to be able to grow your business. Webinars give social proof. They allow people to learn a little bit more about the company, opportunity, product, or service, and it allows them to see that other people are utilizing the product, service, opportunity to get a certain results. Okay, so you could have a landing page where that webinar is actually housed, or invite to that webinar is housed there, and then the button, of course, will lead them to the webinar. So let me show you an example of that page. Okay, so in the Power Lead System, we already have hangout pages, webinar pages. Okay, so every Wednesday to do an actual, it's like a system overview. Okay, and that's already there. And then of course it invites them, if they have frequently asked questions, they can click there, they can start a free trial, and then there's a button for them to learn more about me. Okay, so that's that. These pages are already put together, and you can edit these pages that are back there for any opportunity, you know, not just marketing the Power Lead system, but I just wanted to point out that I love that the actual system I use to grow my other businesses also provides us with tools to also share and market this marketing platform that also helps other people grow their businesses as well. And I don't have to put those things together. Okay, so the next one, of course, you want to leverage a webinar, hangout, Zoom replay. All right, the next one is a Q&A/FAQ. What I would encourage you to do is to go into your company's sales page or their back office, and I want you to look at the frequently asked questions or page. Also, I want you to pay attention when other people are asking you questions. Like I had a guy, he emailed me like a series of questions. What I'm going to do is immediately turn around and make a video about that, answering those questions. You know, how do I market using this system? Are people really winning with this? You know, what does, you know, a walkthrough of the system, like what does the system entail? What do you get? You know, things like that. Make a video, and you can put that video in a landing page just like you saw some of the other ones, where you answer questions that people frequently have. Okay, the more you can get to answering objections and keep leading people back to a button to get started, that's going to help you as well. All right, the next landing page that can help with conversion is a simple review or a system walkthrough. So like, for example, for the Power Lead system, I could walk people through a back office tour of the Power Lead system and just kind of tell people how I use the system. You know, again, if you were with a different type of company, you could give them a walkthrough of your actual system, do a review of the system, tell people why you like it, why you love it, maybe show them the community that you're in, and show that other people are using and winning with the system or getting a certain result with the system. And that's it. So an actual review. Okay, so that will help as well. And then testimonials and interviews always help. So I'll give you an example of this. The Power Lead system has an actual interview series, okay, where they are interviewing people in the Power Lead system. And this is the actual landing page, and you can create this for any opportunity, okay, or any product or service using the Power Lead system. And then over here, it invites people, again, giving them an action after they've you've answered that objection. It invites them to do what? Start a free trial. Okay, so all of these landing pages, I can rotate them. On Monday, maybe I can send out training. On Tuesday, I can send out the webinar hangout, or Wednesday or whatever. You know, on Tuesday I can send out question and answer, right? Once I create these 6 pages, I can rotate them, you know, strategically into my email marketing content. You know, you see what I'm saying? Like, you can reuse these pages over and over and over again, and you're constantly hammering objections to your list. Okay, what's the next one that I said? I already said testimonial. I would encourage people to make, you know, as you use your product, service, or opportunity, make a video kind of telling your story about a result that you got with XYZ product, service, or opportunity. So for example, the Power Lead system, you know, how I use the Power Lead system to get leads, my story with Power Lead system, you know, how I learned to grow a solid affiliate marketing business with the Fearless Mama, you know, which is true, right? So whatever it is, you want to make a video and throw that in a landing page where you're telling your story. You're explaining to your list why you got started with the product, service, opportunity, and what results you got, whether they're big or small. It doesn't have to be a money result. You know, maybe that product, service, opportunity taught you something that was a game changer for you in terms of mindset, in terms of marketing, in terms of confidence in your business, whatever it is. Tell your story with the XYZ product. And then the last one is not really it's not really one of the 6, but you can bridge pages. You can take any of these 6 concepts, and you can always just paste it into the bridge page. And in the video yesterday, I explained that there is a share code that looks just like this. Let me actually take you to this. It looks like this. And any of these videos, you know, rather a company already, oh, I'm sorry, hold on, let me turn it off. Okay, sorry. So rather the company already has these videos made for you, and you could just kind of download them and add them into your share code. Or if you want to make your own of these 6 concepts, you could go ahead and quickly, because this share code is available to us in the Power Lead system, you could literally take this share code, upload this video there. You have a button, you can change that code to go wherever you want, and now you have these different types of landing pages that you can rotate through your list and constantly answer questions. All right, now let's get back to the Power Lead system. You know, I want you to know that the Power Lead system is a marketing system that can help you grow your business. It allows you to do a lot of things. It allows you to create high converting landing pages that can help you in your business. It gives you an autoresponder, which will help you build an email list, stay connected and grow a relationship, a sales relationship with that email list. And the Power Lead system has trainings in place that will help you be able to not only grow the Power Lead system, but grow a solid affiliate marketing business. All right. You know, and the other great thing is that these digital training programs, at several levels, you can earn. You know, residual and high ticket commissions as well, all through the system that you're already using to market and grow your business. All right. And if you don't have a business, the Power Lead system can become your primary business. All right. It is something that marketers need, and it's in high demand. And you can literally put yourself in position to be the solution to marketers who need training, marketers who need a system, and, you know, marketers who need automation. There you go. All right, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. I hope this is helpful, my friend. Comment below with any questions you have. See you in the next video.